Good morning to everyone. My name is El Soumya from Rajanna Sisila. I am pursuing third year MBJC. Today my seminar is about DNA. First I want to explain about context of DNA, introduction, component, structure of DNA, types of DNA, biobiography, and introduction of DNA. DNA is a double stranded molecule that twisted into the helix, and DNA are micromolecular structure. It's composed repeating polymers form the nucleotides, and DNA is a complex molecule contain the information necessary to the build organisms. And next thing, compounds of nucleotide. There are three types: nitrogenous bases, deoxyribose sugar, and phosphate group. First one, nitrogenous bases. In that we have two types: purines and pyrimidine. They are basic structure. And first one, pyrimidines. Pyramids are known as cytosine, thymine, uracil. They are called pyramid. And next one, purines. Purines are known as adenine and guanine. They are purines. Next, in that we have two types: nucleotide and nucleoside. Nucleotide means with phosphate, and nucleoside means without phosphate. Next, next one, sugar, deoxyribose sugar. The sugar found in the nucleic acid are pentose sugar. A pentose sugar has a 5 carbon atoms. In sugar found in the DNA, it's made up of sugar locking one oxygen atom. And next one, phosphate group. A phosphate group is just a phosphorus atom and 4 oxygen atoms, but it is has a many important role. Along with sugar and bases, it make up nucleic acid. And next I want to explain DNA structure. DNA structure in 1953 proposed the double helix structure termed by the Watson and Crick. Chargaff in 1949 showed that in DNA, that is base pair in the specific manner. Adenine always pair with thymine and guanine pair with cytosine. Next one, the total amount of pyrimine nucleotide always equal to the total amount of pyrimids nucleotides. And next, adenine is equal to the thymine and guanine is equal to the cytosine. Next, structure of DNA, double helix. In right-handed helix, raise is 0.33 nanometer in nucleotide and pinch 3.4 nanometer turn and 10.4 nucleotides per turn. In these two grooves, minor and major, there are two grooves found in the DNA molecule, namely major groove and minor groove. The backbone of helix is formed a sugar and phosphate molecule. The nitrogenous bases are attached to the sugar molecule. The two nucleotide strands hold together unstable hydrogen bonds. The DNA is a micromolecular substance which double-stranded polynucleotide, and DNA is double-stranded structure in which the two strands are coiled around each other forming double helix. In this DNA, two strands are run antiparallelly in opposite direction. The run in opposite direction 5 prime to 3 prime end, and next 3 to 5 end. The two strands are interlinked clockwise direction. The width of DNA molecule is 20 angstrom. The strong complements is done every 34 angstrom. There are 10 nucleotide per turn. Their distance 3.4 angstrom. And Watson Crick Mendel DNA is called B form DNA. Next, DNA double helix. It is a long cylinder and helical molecule. It is a two polynucleotide strands. Each nucleotide made up of pentose sugar, phosphate group, nitrogenous bases. Deoxyribo is sugar in the DNA. The nitrogenous bases are two kinds, purines, varamines. We already discussed. There are two hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine, and three hydrogen bonds between guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Next, types of DNA. In this DNA, we have three types: aDNA, bDNA, zDNA. First one, aDNA. aDNA is one of many possible double helix structure of DNA. It is most active along with other form. And next one, zDNA. zDNA is one of many possible double helix structure of DNA. It is helix has a left-handed sense, and bDNA is a right-handed. Base pair is almost perpendicular to the axis, 3.4 angstroms. And next, functions of DNA. The scientists have since discovered that certain proteins bind very strongly to zDNA. It is a important biological role in the protection of against the viral infection. Thank you.